As the conflict continues, a new development is quietly changing the direction of the events. Here we are talking about a high-level phone call between Iran and Russia. Welcome to Times XP's War Updates. And no, we're not talking about the phone call on the battlefield, not through missiles, but through diplomacy. And this particular call is raising big question about what comes next. Well, at the center of this moment is Sergei Lavrov, who reportedly spoke with Iranian officials, emphasizing the need for a political solution. But this was not just a neutral message. Alongside call for diplomacy, Moscow also signaled support for Iran's position, suggesting that Russia is not just observing now, it is engaging. And this comes at a time when Donald Trump has announced a pause in planned strike on Iran. Basically, a step back, a moment of restraint, and also a moment that creates space for other powers to step in. And Russia appears to be doing exactly the same. Now let's pause here because timing matters. When one major power pauses, another major power moves forward, and that is exactly what makes the whole moment significant here. Iran, facing pressure from multiple fronts, it is now strengthening its diplomatic channels, reaching out to Russia not just about communication, but it's about alignment, about ensuring that it is not isolated on the global stage now. And for Russia, that is an opportunity to increase its influence in the region that is already under strain. And yes, at the very same time, there are ongoing signals of possible talks between the United States and Iran. But again, those signals, they remain unclear, with mixed messages coming from both the ends. While Moscow here hints at dialogue, Tehran has publicly denied any formal negotiations here. And this creates uncertainty. And in that uncertainty, ladies and gentlemen, new alliances begin to take shape. The involvement of Russia adds another layer to an already complex situation here. This is no longer just a regional conflict. It is becoming a part of a much larger geopolitical equation where global powers are positioning themselves very, very carefully. Every call, every statement, every move carries strategic meaning now. And as for the Middle East, this could be a signal of beginning of something new. A phase where diplomacy and alliances play a big role, maybe as a military action. A phase where influence is negotiated not just on the battlefield, but through relationship between the two powerful nations. So the key question now is this a step towards de-escalation, or perhaps a strategic realignment that could reshape the conflict? Because when countries like Russia and Iran, they move closer, it changes calculation for everybody else that is involved. Well, this is no longer just about strikes and responses. This is about power. This is about positioning. This is about the future balance of the region, and that balance may now be shifting.